Ever feel like you're putting in all the effort to manifest your dreams, but things just aren't moving as fast as you'd like? You're not alone. We've all been there, visualizing, affirming, and hoping for change, but wondering why it's taking forever. The secret to speeding up your manifestations isn't about working harder or wishing more. It's about focusing your energy in the right way. What if I told you there's a simple technique that can drastically speed up your manifestations, helping you attract what you desire faster than you ever thought possible? It's called saturation, and it's all about mentally immersing yourself in the feeling of already having what you want. Imagine soaking your mind with the belief that your desires are already on their way. Sounds powerful, right? That's because it is. By practicing saturation, you create a deep mental connection with your goals, programming your subconscious mind to align with your desires. It's like planting seeds in your mind and allowing them to grow into your reality. The more you saturate your mind with the belief that you already have what you want, the faster your manifestations will show up. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Saturation, as a manifestation tool, is a highly effective technique that can dramatically accelerate your ability to manifest your desires. At its core, saturation is about creating an immersive mental environment where you consistently focus on the feeling of already having what you want. Instead of simply wishing or hoping for something, saturation encourages you to believe and feel as though your desires are already a reality. What sets saturation apart from other manifestation techniques is its focus on repetition and emotional immersion. While affirmations are a common part of this process, saturation extends beyond them by incorporating visualization, scripting, and other creative practices. These tools help reinforce the belief that what you desire is already yours, ingraining this idea into your subconscious mind. Visualization, for example, allows you to vividly imagine yourself living the life you desire, seeing the outcomes and experiences you want to manifest. You can picture the feelings, sounds, and emotions that come with your success. This process helps to solidify your belief, making the manifestation process feel more real and tangible. Scripting, another method used in saturation, involves writing out your desires as if they've already come to pass. By scripting your ideal scenario in the present tense, you align your thoughts and emotions with the reality you wish to create. Repeating this process daily further solidifies your new belief system. The key to successful saturation lies in consistency. The more you saturate your mind with the thought and feeling of already having what you desire, the quicker your subconscious mind begins to accept this new reality. The feeling of already having it shifts your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance, allowing your manifestations to materialize faster. Saturation is a tool that helps reprogram your subconscious by flooding it with your desired outcome. It goes beyond merely thinking positively. It's about deeply immersing yourself in the belief that what you want is already yours, making it an essential practice for anyone looking to manifest their dreams quickly. To use saturation effectively, the key is to immerse your mind completely in positive thoughts, emotions, and visions related to your goal. The goal is to reprogram your subconscious by continually focusing on your desired outcome until it feels real and attainable. This process allows you to create a strong mental connection with your manifestation, helping you align your thoughts and emotions with the reality you wish to create. Start by choosing the method of saturation that works best for you. One of the simplest and most popular techniques is affirmations. Repeating positive affirmations such as "I am successful" or "I have already achieved my goals" allows you to focus your thoughts on the belief that your desires are already a part of your reality. By repeating these affirmations over and over, you are gradually shifting your mindset and reinforcing your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Another powerful method of saturation is mental visualization. This involves imagining yourself already living your desired outcome, seeing the specific details, emotions, and circumstances as if they are happening in the present moment. Picture the sights, sounds, and feelings that accompany your success. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more effectively you saturate your mind with the belief that you already have what you want. Doing this regularly will help your subconscious mind absorb these positive images and thoughts. Scripting is another highly effective technique to saturate your mind. Write out your desires as if they've already come true. Use the present tense and describe how your life looks now that you've achieved your goal. By scripting your desired outcome in this way, you bring it to life in your mind and allow it to deeply resonate with your emotions, creating a sense of ownership and reality. Remember, consistency is essential. The more often you repeat your affirmations, visualizations, or scripts, the faster your subconscious mind will accept your new reality. Saturation is about creating a mental environment where your desired outcome feels true. So practice regularly and stay committed to reprogramming your beliefs. Creating your ideal saturation session is about aligning the process with your personal preferences and schedule while maintaining a high level of consistency and engagement. Whether you have 15 minutes or several hours to dedicate, the key is to immerse your mind in the feeling of already having your manifestation, rather than focusing on the duration of the session. The first step in crafting an effective saturation session is deciding how long you want to commit to it. Some people prefer shorter, more frequent sessions, while others choose to dedicate extended periods to saturation. A 15-minute session can be just as powerful as a longer one, provided you fully engage with the process and focus on your desired outcome. The power of saturation lies in the intensity and consistency of your focus, not necessarily the length of time spent. During your saturation session, it's crucial to let go of any distractions. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can concentrate fully on your thoughts and emotions. This allows you to dive deep into the experience of already having what you want, whether through affirmations, visualization, or scripting. The goal is to create a mental environment where your desired outcome feels as real and attainable as possible. To make the session more effective, visualize in vivid detail the scenario you're manifesting. Imagine how it feels, looks, sounds, and even smells. Engage all your senses to make the experience feel more immersive. Alternatively, you can repeat affirmations or write out your goals. But the key is to stay focused on the belief that it is already true. Stay present in the moment and avoid letting any doubts or negative thoughts creep in. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your desired outcome. The more consistently you engage in these sessions, the more your subconscious mind will absorb the belief, helping you manifest your desires more rapidly. Whether your saturation session is short or long, it's about dedication and full immersion. The goal is to create a powerful mental shift by consistently reinforcing the belief that you already have what you want. Repetition is one of the most powerful tools for changing your beliefs and is a vital component of the saturation process. The more you repeat your affirmations, visualizations, or scripting, the more your mind becomes aligned with your desired reality. This consistent practice is essential because it helps to reprogram your subconscious, allowing new beliefs to take root and replace old, limiting ones. Scientific research supports the idea that repetition rewires neural pathways in the brain. When you repeat a thought or affirmation, your brain starts to form new connections that reinforce the new belief. This process is known as neuroplasticity, which allows your brain to adapt and form new ways of thinking. By continually repeating positive statements or visualizing your desired outcomes, you are literally reshaping your brain to adopt new beliefs and assumptions. This makes it easier for you to accept the idea that your manifestation is already true. The more frequently you engage in repetition, the quicker your subconscious mind accepts your new reality. Think of it like planting seeds in your mind. At first, you may not see much change, but as you continue to repeat your affirmations and visualize your goals, those seeds begin to take root and grow. Over time, the repetition builds a strong foundation, and your belief in your manifestation becomes undeniable. Repetition also helps to override negative thoughts or doubts that might arise. The more you focus on your desired outcome, the less space there is for doubts to creep in. This shift in focus is crucial because when you're constantly affirming that your manifestation is already yours, your mind no longer has room to question it. Instead, it begins to accept it as your new truth. Repetition is the key to making new beliefs automatic and integrated into your daily life. The more you repeat your affirmations, visualizations, or scripting, the closer you get to manifesting your desires, as your mind and actions align with the new beliefs you're creating. Consistency and repetition is what speeds up the process of manifestation, making it one of the most effective tools at your disposal. The impact of long-term saturation on your subconscious can be profound, especially when you engage in extended saturation sessions. While shorter sessions are effective, longer periods of focused mental activity can significantly accelerate the process of aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome. The key benefit of these extended sessions is that they provide your subconscious mind with more time to absorb and integrate the new beliefs you're trying to establish, making them feel more authentic and true. When you dedicate several hours to saturation, you give your mind the opportunity to fully immerse itself in the experience of already having what you want. The deeper the immersion, the more your subconscious can absorb the belief and integrate it into your sense of self. Extended saturation sessions also allow you to dig deeper into the feelings and details associated with your manifestation, helping your mind solidify the image of success. This extra time helps to reinforce the mental connection between you and your desired reality, making it easier to adopt new beliefs and attitudes that align with your goals. In addition, extended sessions allow for a more intense emotional experience. The longer you focus on the outcome, the more you engage with the feelings associated with achieving your desires. This emotional immersion is essential, as the subconscious responds strongly to emotions, especially those that are deeply felt. By spending more time visualizing and affirming your success, you give your emotions a chance to catch up with your thoughts, making the manifestation process feel more natural and inevitable. While not everyone may have the time to engage in long saturation sessions, those who do often experience accelerated results. Whether you dedicate an hour, 3 hours, or even more, the power of extended saturation lies in the ability to keep your mind focused on the desired outcome long enough for it to fully absorb and believe it. Over time, this focused effort will reshape your subconscious mind, aligning it with your goals and speeding up the manifestation process. Real-world examples of manifestation through saturation provide powerful evidence of how effective this technique can be. One notable example is the story of someone who manifested attending a major event, such as a movie premiere, through an extended saturation session. Despite not initially receiving an invitation, this individual was determined to walk the red carpet at the event. Through a lengthy saturation session, where they focused intently on the belief that they were already invited, the person immersed themselves in the feeling of being at the event. They repeated affirmations, visualized themselves at the premiere, and emotionally connected with the excitement of walking the red carpet. As a result, their manifestation came true, and they were invited to the premiere, eventually walking the red carpet and appearing in media coverage. This example highlights the power of saturation to create a deep sense of certainty and belief in your desired outcome. By immersing yourself in the belief that your manifestation is already a reality, you can shift your mindset and overcome doubts or limiting beliefs. It may seem like a far-fetched goal, but through saturation, you create an unwavering belief that what you want is already yours. This belief becomes so ingrained in your subconscious that it starts to influence your actions and external circumstances, ultimately bringing the desired outcome into your reality. Real-life stories like this show how saturation can make seemingly impossible goals attainable. Whether it's landing a dream job, receiving an unexpected opportunity, or manifesting an event you previously thought out of reach. Saturation helps to remove the barriers in your mind that prevent you from achieving your desires. The longer and more consistently you engage in saturation, the more your subconscious mind aligns with your goals, turning those goals into tangible, achievable realities. Through saturation, you can create the certainty and conviction needed to manifest your dreams quickly. After completing your saturation session, one of the most important aspects of ensuring manifestation success is maintaining a positive mindset and avoiding the return of old limiting beliefs or doubts. The power of saturation lies not only in the intensity of the session itself, but in the consistency and conviction with which you hold the belief that your manifestation is already true. If, after a powerful saturation session, you start to question or doubt the process, you risk undoing the progress you've made. Doubt and negative thinking can be incredibly disruptive to the manifestation process. When you spend time mentally soaking in the belief that your desires are already yours, your subconscious mind begins to align with that belief. However, if you allow doubts to creep in after the session, you send mixed signals to your subconscious. This can cause confusion, delay your manifestation, or even reinforce old limiting beliefs that counteract your progress. To maintain momentum, it's essential to stay consistent in your new belief system. Your mind is highly impressionable, and frequent repetition of your desired outcome helps to solidify it as your new reality. The more you focus on your manifestation and hold on to the belief that it is already on its way, the quicker your subconscious will accept it as truth. This consistency is key to ensuring that your manifestation process remains strong and uninterrupted. Trust in the power of your subconscious mind to align with your desires. Your subconscious is highly capable of manifesting your dreams, but it requires unwavering trust and faith in the process. If you find yourself slipping into doubt, gently bring yourself back to the belief that your manifestation is already unfolding. This practice of consistently reinforcing positive, empowering thoughts and keeping the belief alive after your saturation session is what ensures the manifestation process continues to move forward smoothly and successfully. And that's a wrap, guys. Now you know how to speed up your manifestations using the power of saturation. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and immerse your mind in the belief that your desires are already on their way. If you start applying this technique, you'll be amazed at how quickly things begin to shift. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more manifestation tips and tricks. I'd love to hear about your experiences, so drop a comment below with, "I'm ready for my manifestation," and let me know how you're going to use saturation to speed up your own manifestations. I'm excited to read your stories and connect with you all. Until next time, keep manifesting and trust the process. You've got this.